learners. Now I am going to discuss about the important grammatical item tag question. At first we will know that what is tag question. The question which adds to the statement to get approval of the listener is called a tag question. Furthermore, a tag question is the question asked by the speaker after a negative or affirmative statement during conversation. Though a tag question, the speaker wants to have an answer in support of the statement. Some rules of tag question. Some rules of tag question. Number one, main sentence will sit at till comma condition of absence. This rule proves that tag question would be again put down in the examination paper. Example, Tariq was playing in the field. Okay. Number two, if the statement is affirmative, the question tag is negative. On the other hand, if the statement is affirmative, the question tag is negative. The basic rules is positive statement, negative tag. Negative statement, positive tag. Okay. Example, Reshma doesn't go to school. This sentence is negative sentence. That is why its tag question will be positive. Does she? Another example, Corinne has taken medicine. This sentence is affirmative. That is why its tag question will be negative. Hasn't he? Hasn't he? Okay. Number three, note of interrogation or question mark always would be at the last statement. If any student doesn't use the note of interrogation or question mark, then answer will be incorrect. Example, Mina is singing. Singing. Number 4. The subject of that question always would be at the statement. Last statement. The subject of that question always would be as a pronoun. Example, Hamid is busy now. This sentence we can use he instead of Hamid, because Hamid is a noun and the text subject will be pronoun. Okay? Isn't he? Okay? Number 5. At the beginning of writing that question, that auxiliary verb will use those negative short form will be given below. I will show a chart. Dear students, you will follow. Dear students, you will follow this chart. Am not, ain't, aren't or ain't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't. Had not, hadn't, shall not, shan't, oblique shalln't, will not, won't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, should not, shouldn't, would not, wouldn't, must not, mustn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, need not, needn't, ought not, oughtn't, dare not, daren't, and last word, used not, usedn't. Okay? Dear my students, another example, another rule 6. Without operator statement making that question, only the present indefinite tense do, does, and past indefinite tense did will use as a tag operator. Example, we eat rice. First sentence is present indefinite tense. That is why its that person will be don't do. Don't do. The second one, they went to school. This sentence is past indefinite tense. That is why its that person will be didn't. Didn't they? Didn't. Okay. Number 7. Only the letters or let's attach the statement making that question will be shall we, will become shall we. Example, let us play now. Another example, let's go now. Shall we? Okay, do you understand? Okay, dear my students, I will another example the next class. Thank you. Goodbye.